through the tracks. A cold hum crawling down my back. Ghost trail codes rattling in the stone. A rhythm beating like it's not alone. Dark metal shadows drifting through the air. A quiet warning telling me beware. Ironfall echoes in the subway dance tonight. A steel cut surge pushing me through the light. The tunnels breathe frost, but I stay aligned. Pressure turns granite in my sharpened mind. The platform glows like a fractured sign. Ironfall echoes burning down the line. Pulse blue shadows crawling through the blue. A rising tension pulling me straight through. Rock rake sparks drifting through the haze. A sound that cuts through the mental maze. Metal warmth humming through the cold. A truth too heavy to stay untold. Ironfall echoes in the subway depths tonight. A steel cut surge pushing me through the light. The tunnels breathe frost, but I stay aligned. Pressure turns granite in my sharpened mind. The platform glows like a fractured sign. Ironfall echoes burning down the line. Trembles as the hours slide. A restless heartbeat I can't hide. And gets returns shaking through the dark. A sound that leaves a permanent mark. Ambient colors drifting through the night. A cold cut shimmer beneath the light. Ironfall echoes in the subway depths tonight. A steel cut surge pushing me through the light. The tunnels breathe frost, but I stay aligned. Pressure turns granite in my sharpened mind. The platform glows like a fractured sign. Ironfall echoes burning down the line. Metal fire rising through the cold. A rhythm steady, confident and bold. Rock wave shadows drifting sharp and thin. A pulse that digs right